Tired of your car's radio cutting out or fading when you travel? This FM modulator is designed to deliver clear, uninterrupted sound in your 2007 Honda Pilot. It plugs right into your base model radio, transforming your music experience without interference or static. Installing this device was straightforward, even with Honda's unique wiring. The package includes everything needed, except adapters for the antenna connection. Once set up, the modulator fits neatly in the dash, and the switch can be discreetly mounted near the auxiliary outlet for easy access. What stands out is the clean installation and solid build quality. Unlike typical FM transmitters that struggle with signal fading and background noise, this product maintains a strong, clear connection. It worked flawlessly during a 6-hour road trip across multiple cities, playing music from an MP3 player or iPod without a hitch. The difference is noticeable right away, no annoying static or interruptions, just smooth, reliable audio. Whether you're commuting or on a long drive, this modulator ensures your favorite tunes stay front and center. If you're looking for an affordable way to upgrade your car's audio without replacing the entire system, this modulator is worth considering. It's a practical solution that keeps your dashboard tidy and your music clear. Plus, the product comes from a trusted source with positive feedback from users who appreciate its performance and ease of use. It's a smart choice for anyone with a 2007 Honda Pilot base model radio seeking better sound quality. If that's you, don't settle for spotty FM signals or complicated installs. This modulator offers a seamless way to enjoy your music on the road, no matter where your journey takes you. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your driving soundtrack. Clear audio, clean installation, and dependable performance make this FM modulator a practical addition to your car setup.